So popular. All Indonesian though. So here's the breakfast menu at Capri. The big breakfast is only 85k. Here's some of the food here at this one. Very cheap price food. Some nice big mirror here. Make yourself look beautiful. Nice. Copyright music again here. I'll just show you. Here. On a space. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 7 a.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature into this morning's video for you is the brand new beachfront restaurants at the Matahari Turbot Beach location right here in Sanur. So I have featured this collection of restaurants here at the Matahari Turbot Beach location during the night time. I've also featured two of the restaurants in separate videos, a place called Joro and also Coco Bistro, two absolutely fabulous restaurants amongst this collection that I'm going to feature in today's video. So my starting point is going to be the Monument Roundabout car parking area where you have one direction Matahari Turbot Beach location, which is where we're going to be heading, and then in the other direction is Sanur Beach. So I'm going to stroll through the restaurants, taking them in one by one, just show you the seating areas inside and outside, give you some of the ocean views as well from some of the restaurants, try and get you to see some of the menus also, and just give you a general idea of what it's like at a breakfast time or early morning time here at the Matahari Turbot Beach location here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll through this fabulous, or should I say, take a stroll through this fabulous collection of restaurants here at Matahari Turbot Beach. Okay, so here we are at the start point for today's video, the statue in the middle of the road here. So we're heading to Pantai Matahari Turbot, Pantai Sanur in the other direction. We're going to head through here. So it's quite busy with people, quite busy with transport as well, trying to park in and around this area. So dollar, it's not actually open yet, that one. Still only just past 7 a.m. Sands. Some people there already at Sands. This nice big mirror here. Make yourself look beautiful. Nice sky in there. Someone's toast. Seating areas inside. Next we have Joro. I've featured this place in a video with some cakes and things inside of there. So it's nice food, this one. Seating area outside here. Fabulous ice cream from the counter there. I've had that multiple times. Wow, quite busy. There's another one, new one under construction here, not quite finished. Give you a view out to the ocean. Okay, back on the track now. So we have Bayside Sea View, our next one. An inside seating area here. This is definitely the new popular place now here in Sanur, this area. Very, very busy. Mostly Indonesian now. I think the Western haven't found it yet and discovered it. Koja here. Someone's having a burger or something for breakfast there. Seating area inside. Super busy. We have Goldmine Coffee here. Wow. SO Beachfront, this one, next one. So popular. All Indonesian though. Nice little seating areas overlooking the ocean. Pizza and good here. Gelato ice cream. I'd get my gelato from the Joro. People having pizza for breakfast. Ponies or ponis. Wow, nice little pink theme going on here. That's the inside. Nice. The outside sitting here at Ponies. Ponis, however you pronounce it. Oh, very, very busy. We have Capri restaurant and pizzeria here. Some very nice looking croissants in here. Cinnamon rolls. Nice little seating area here out the front as well. Hello, seating area inside as well. Nice. So here's the breakfast menu at Capri. The big breakfast is only 85k, so a reasonably priced breakfast that for the beachfront. Some of the other stuff, many other things as well. Smoothie bowls for those of you that are interested in them, 75 to 85k. Just look how busy it is though. So busy. Caillou 8 back me. Big group of Indonesian here. More here as well. An inside seating area also. Nice. Here's some of the food here at this one. Very cheap price food. Nice. Oh, we have a Western tourist here, or maybe an expat. This is always with the Indonesian. This is a new one. It's an upstairs area as well. This is the newest one here. Actually have a DJ as well. Super busy. Babi Guling here. This one's not busy. Maybe this is something for later. Babi Guling. It's usually very popular in Indonesia and Bali. Babi Guling. Side seating area as well there. Lots of music going on here. I'm a bit surprised at this time in the morning. So we have more under construction here. Crispy donuts here. Seating area again inside there. Small seating area on the front here as well. One empty there. Or if anybody wants to take a business, maybe that one's for rent. Oh, it's just probably taken. Looks like it's going to be a massage spa. Lima. Nice. Like coffee shop type place, this one. Lima's the name. Coffees again. Nice. Another one under construction to my left. We have Daily Coffee here. Interesting. Daily Coffee. Sweetheart. So many. Bali Buga and massage and reflexology, so not just restaurants. Have your massage before you eat, don't have it after. Wow, big group here again. A nice little seating area here, a little bit unique. It's under construction. Bulga, however you pronounce that. You can see it with the camera. I won't even try and pronounce it. Otherwise we'll have people complaining. I don't say things correctly. G'day local. Yes. Golden dumpling here. And copyright music again here. I'll just show you. Seating area there as well. This is Coco Bistro. A bit quiet, Coco Bistro. Usually is in the morning, in fairness. Coco Bistro, it's a later in the night place. I've just featured this in a video. Serves exceptionally good food. And the beautiful views as well, overlooking the ocean here at Coco Bistro. Oh, so beautiful. I'm just coming out from Coco Bistro. Soup, Capella I can, so fish soup, 60k. And lots of copyright music here. How do you pronounce that? Meatballs. Very, very busy. People are not in the restaurants, you're actually walking. Hello, good morning. The meatballs dangling there. Nice little seating areas here. Not sure what that one's called again. Oh my god, so much copyright music. Infinity Coffee Roastery. Little convenience store there in case you need to buy some snacks or something. Baxo 98. Tables and chairs are stacked up here. There's an inside seating area as well in there. Oh, it doesn't open till 9 o'clock, that's why it's not here. Nice space. Funky looking machine here. Very nice funky looking seating area as well. The swings here. Beautiful ocean views again. Seating area here as well. Few customers there. This is called Loverboy. If not now, when? Oh, nice. And that concludes today's video. We're right at the end of the collection of restaurants now. Continue on in this direction to Sanur Harbour. Seating area here as well. Nice. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my stroll through the brand new collection of beachfront restaurants here at the Matahari Turbot Beach location here in Sanur. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, fabulous collection there, very, very popular, particularly amongst Indonesian. Lots of Indonesians there eating and drinking and sampling the food from many different restaurants. Didn't see too many Westerners, tourists, or maybe even expats that actually live here. Maybe many tourists don't actually know about this location at the moment, hence the video to try and bring it to your attention. But as you saw with the camera, fabulous collection of restaurants there, very, very popular. If they're Indonesians have discovered it and are going there in the numbers like what we've seen in today's video, let that be a sign that usually means it's a very, very good, reasonably priced place to visit for your food here in Sanur. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I highly recommend paying a collection of beachfront restaurants here at the Matahari Turbot Beach location a visit, and I shall say bye for now.